Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by prepping the panel. Wash and dry the area so tools work on adhesive rather than grime. Once done, aim a heat gun or hair dryer at the decal for 1-2 minutes until it becomes pliable. Heat loosens adhesive and prevents paint stress. Next, use a plastic razor or dental floss to lift an edge. Work slowly and at a shallow angle to avoid scratching. Make sure to keep heat moving. Do not overheat one spot. This sequence starts the decal removal safely and efficiently. After you lift and peel the decal slowly at roughly a 45 degrees angle, pause whenever it resists and reapply heat. That prevents tearing and reduces adhesive left behind. Once the vinyl is off, treat remaining tackiness with isopropyl alcohol or a citrus-based adhesive remover. Apply, let sit for 30-60 seconds, then work with a plastic scraper. Use a microfiber towel to wipe in one direction. This removes residue while protecting the clear coat. If residue persists, you finish by washing the treated area thoroughly to remove solvent traces, then run your hand over it. If it feels rough, use a clay bar to remove microscopic residue. Once smooth, polish lightly to even out the finish, and then apply wax or a paint sealant to restore protection and gloss. Make sure to wait recommended cure times for products. If paint lifts or you see discoloration, stop. Key troubleshooting is to avoid further heat or scraping, and consult a professional or use manufacturer-matched touch-up paint for repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.